we share one of the simplest recipe of the world. This one is the red fermented BEANCURD. Inside we would get 1 cube, 1.5 cube of this BEANCURD, okay, and then this white one, the white BEANCURD fermented also. We put just 1 little cube, so it depends on the size of your cube. This is so good, you can smell it. Oh, sorry, you can't smell it from the soy. It's a light soy sauce. It's all bean product, but they are because of the fermentation process, their flavor are different. It's so simple, but you will love it. And then 1 teaspoon of sugar. It's just to enhance, and then it just makes it. And it's so simple. And when you do it and then we just rub it onto the chicken, and then bake it, and it is very yummy. I can guarantee that. Okay. The chicken is just flatten, and then we have to press it to flatten it to make it easy to bake. Tray, you can just decorate it and use onion, potato or whatever, on the bottom of the chicken.
Kahit anong gusto niyo sa base niya. Mamaya na lang. Wait. Butan namin
And then after mixing it to even paste, and then you can add ginger, and of course we have the skin, and make sure we clean the ginger properly, and we add the ginger paste.
Nakalimutan.
And the chicken will be rubbed both inside and outside as usual. I love some seasoning too at the underside, so also. Positions of the chicken is better for those new beginners. And of course, some people are not familiar with the oven, so every 15 minutes you check, and it's safer. Some oven is very powerful and some oven is not, so you got to check yourself. For us, we have 175 degrees for 15 minutes first, and then we change to swap the position of the chicken. Okay?
Little longer than a few minutes later.
So that it can caramelize even better. And then we also add some oil. Make it shiny. Now we can just sprinkle it on top of this of our beautiful chicken. This is after 30 minutes.
Yes, 30 minutes.
So let's add another dimension to the taste. Yummy. Oh, I'm sure. And then we bake again. This time 10 minutes, because otherwise it would blacken. Make sure it doesn't become carbonized. So you have to check more often for this time.